starting today practice at 2.4 algebra standard 10th, and it is very easy. They have given to compare this quadratic equation by the standard form. Now what is the standard form? I'll just write here, comparing x square minus 7x plus 5 equals to 0 with, this is the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now this becomes ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the equation is already in that form. Sometimes it happens that c or bx is in RHS, so we have to bring it in this form. Okay, so comparing this, we'll get here a is equal to, this is x square, so a is what? 1. B is what? Minus 7. Okay, and what is c? C is equal to 5. Okay, second one given is 2m square equals to 5m minus 5. 2m square equals to 5m minus 5. Okay, so first thing you have to do is arrange this in standard form. Okay, so this will become ax square plus bx, 5m I'll bring here, it will become minus 5m, minus 5 will come here, it will become plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so here comparing 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equals to 0 with the standard form. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We get a equals to 2, b equals to minus 5 and c equals to 5. Okay, then coming to third one. Third one is y square equals to 7y. So I'll first arrange it like this: y square minus 7y plus 0 equals to 0. Okay, so comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a is 1, b is minus 7 and c is 0. Okay, so this is very easy, and now let us solve the sums based on it. And before we start, you should know the formula, because we are going to do formula method in this. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so you have to first calculate this b square minus 4ac, then substitute in the formula. But you have to learn this formula. Come on, once again we will write it down. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now you know how to take out a, b, c. Okay, first you learn this formula, write it down at least 5 times by speaking orally. Okay, only then we'll begin with question number 2. Okay, so question number 2, first one, they have asked to solve it by formula method only. Okay, even though we can do it by factorization, splitting up the middle term, but they have asked us to do it by formula method. So very first thing is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. What is a? A is 1. What is b? B is 6. What is c? C is equal to 5. Okay, now a is 1, b is 6, c is 5. So we'll write, therefore x is equal to, this is the formula, minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, you will write the formula, at the same time you will calculate separately what is b square minus 4ac. Okay, so I'm writing here b square 6 square minus 4a 1 and c 5. Okay, this is 36 minus 4 5s are 20, 21s are 20, so it is 16. Okay, we got b square minus 4ac is 16. So let us write minus b is minus 6 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. I am writing the value because we know the value of this. Okay, upon 2a, a is 1, correct? Very easy. So this is minus 6 plus or minus, you know root 16 is how much? It is 4. Okay, upon 2 1s is 2. Okay, now this becomes minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. There will be two values, of course. Okay, minus 6 plus 4 is how much? It is minus 2 by 2, or x is equal to, this will be minus 10 upon 2. Okay, this is minus 1 and this is minus 5. Okay, so therefore x is equal to minus 1 comma minus 5 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, very easy. Let us do the second one so it will be more clearer to you. So we are ready with question 2, sub question 2, comparing with the standard form. What is the standard form? ax square plus bx plus c. So we are getting a as 1, b as minus 3 and c as minus 2. Okay, let us find what is b square minus 4ac. b square is minus 3 square minus 4ac. c is minus 2. Minus 3 square will become plus 9. Minus into minus becomes plus. Okay, and you have to remember one more thing. Square of any number, any integer, whether it is negative or positive, it is always positive. Square of any negative integer, I take minus 1020 square. I don't know the answer, but answer is surely going to be positive. Okay, because minus into minus becomes plus. Okay, then this is minus into minus, so here also it will be plus. 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, so it will be 9 plus 8, 17. Okay, so we got the value of b square minus 4ac this time 17, which is not a perfect square. No issues, we'll write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now minus b is minus of minus 3. Okay, minus once for the formula, and the value of b is already negative, so this minus also. Okay, plus or minus under root, this will be 17, as the value of b square minus 4ac is 17 upon 2a, it is 1. This will become plus 3 plus or minus root 17 upon 2. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 17 upon 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Okay, these are the roots of the quadratic equation. So you can write it like this: 3 plus root 17 upon 2 comma 3 minus root 17 upon 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. Okay, so here comparing with standard form, I'll write here and a equals to 3, b equals to 2, c equals to minus 7. Okay, so first I'll write what is b square minus 4ac. I'll find out. B square is 2 square minus 4a is 3, c is minus 7. This becomes 4. What will be this? Minus or plus? Minus into minus. Two negative signs you see, so it will be plus. Now let us multiply. 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Okay. Now 84 plus 4 is 88. Okay. So let us write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So minus 2 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac is 88 upon 2a is 3. Okay. Now minus 2 plus or minus. Can we find the simplified root of 88? Okay. Yes, it is 44 2s are. Further if I divide, it will be 22 4s are. So it will be 2 root 22 upon 6. Okay. Now see this, your knowledge of surds, what you have done will be counted here. X is equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 22 upon 6, or x is equal to minus 2. One time we have taken plus, or it is minus 2 root 22 upon 6. Okay, now x is equal to, what can we take common here? If I take minus 2 common here, what remains inside is 1 minus root 22 upon 6. Okay, or x is equal to minus 2 common if I take 1 plus, because minus sign we have taken outside, so here it will be plus root 22 upon 6. Okay, so this will be 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Okay, so minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3. Okay, or x is equal to, this will be again 1s are, 3s are, and I'll multiply minus with the bracket, minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. Okay, this minus minus will become plus, this minus plus will become minus. So this is your final answer. Okay, let us move on to fourth one. We will first compare it with the standard form, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, we get a equals to 5, b is minus 4, and c is minus 2. Okay, now b square minus 4ac equals to minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 5 and c is minus 2. So this becomes 16, minus minus becomes plus, 4 5s are 22s are 40. Okay, what is 40 plus 16? It is 56. Okay, now let us write the formula. You know x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now minus b is minus of minus 4 plus or minus, this is 56. Okay, we found it here, value of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 2a is 5. Okay, so this becomes now 4, minus minus becomes plus, and plus or minus 56. You know the factors of 56. I can say 14 4s, because 13 4s is 52, 14 4s is 56. So I can write 2 root 14 upon 10. Correct? So I'll write here, I can take 2 common here, 2 is common. What I can write here is 2 plus or minus root 14 upon 10. Correct? So 1s are 5s are. Okay, So what I'm getting is x is 2 plus root 14 upon 5, or x is equal to 2 minus root 14 upon 5. Okay, so these are the possible roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, then let us move on to fifth one. So coming to question number 5th, we have y square plus 1 by 3y equals to 2. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, but first we have to convert it in this form, y square plus 1 by 3y minus 2 equals to 0, who I'll bring in the LHS. Okay, now this y square, so a is 1, b is 1 by 3 and c is minus 2. Okay, so now I'll just find what is b square minus 4ac. b square is this 1 by 3 square minus 4. A is 1, c is minus 2. This becomes 1 by 9. Okay, minus into minus is plus. 4 2s is 8. Okay, 1 plus this will be, if I cross multiply, this will be 72 upon 9. Correct? So it will be 73 by 9. Okay, so the value of b square minus 4ac is 73 by 9. Let us write the formula. X is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b minus 1 by 3 plus or minus, this is 73 by 9 upon 2a. Okay, a is 1. So I will have here minus 1 upon 3 plus or minus root 73, we don't know its root, so it will be as it is, but 9 will become 3, we know. Okay, and 2 will be as it is. Okay, correct? So now what we have is minus 1 by 3 plus or minus root 73 by 2. Okay, so now if you see, this 3 will go down as common denominator. Okay, and we'll have x equals to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. Okay, this 3 will go down, you know how it works. Okay, so here these are the possible roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, you can write them. Therefore minus 1 plus root 73 by 6 comma minus 1 minus root 73 by 6 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, then so coming to sum number 6, we have 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equals to 0. So therefore comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we have a equals to 5, b equals to 13, c equals to 8. Okay, so we have, first we'll find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square is 13 square minus 4ac. Okay, this is 169 minus, what is 4 5s are? 4 5s is 20, 28 is 160. So value will be 9. Okay, now therefore x equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so minus b is minus 13 plus or minus, this is root 9 upon is 5. Okay, very simple. This will become 3, root 9 will become 3, 2 5s will become 10. Okay, so x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Okay, so it will be minus 13 plus 3 will become minus 10 upon 10, and this will become minus 16 upon 10. Okay, 10 1 1, so x is equal to minus 1 here, or x is equal to, if I cut this, 2 5s 2 8s minus 8 by 5. So these two are the roots of the quadratic equation, minus 1 and minus 8 by 5. Okay, question number 3, if you observe, they have given a flow chart, but we will just do it like a normal sum. First step is comparing with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, here a equals to 1, b equals to 2 root 3 and c equals to 3. Okay, now if you see, we will first find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square is 2 root 3 square minus 4ac. Okay, so this becomes 4, 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, 4 3s is 12, minus 4 3s is 12. Okay, 12 1s 12, so it is 0. Okay, now when b square minus 4ac equals to 0, let us see what we have. Okay, in this case we'll come to the next exercise where b square minus 4ac equals to 0. The nature of the roots are real and equal. Okay, so I'll write the formula here, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 0. So minus b is minus 2 root 3 plus or minus, this will become 0, b square minus 4ac is 0 upon 0. Oh, beg your pardon, this is 2a, where was I? 2 1s. Okay, so minus 2 root 3 plus or minus 0, we are not going to write it. Okay, upon, this is 2. Okay, so this 2 will get cancelled. What remains is minus root 3, only this remains. Okay, so what we have to write is, here b square minus 4ac equals to 0, therefore roots are real and equal. Okay, the roots are real and equal. Okay, therefore minus root 3 comma minus root 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so with this we come to the end of practice set 2.4. okay, and we'll be soon coming to practice set 2.5. so before that, just keep practicing algebra, geometry, okay, and ask any doubts if you have in the comment box below. Okay, thank you children, goodbye, good luck.